Let's understand basic parameters of electrical system. The main parameters of electrical systems are voltage, resistance, current and power. Voltage is measured in volt and written as capital V, where resistance measured in ohm and written as symbol ohm. Current is measured in ampere and written as capital A or AMP. Electric power is measured in watt, written as capital W or small w. If we see the basic parameters of electrical system, volt, current and its unit is ampere. Here we have taken the example of battery. Battery is the source of voltage. Battery have its terminal voltage V. Assume the 12 volt battery. Then current will be depend upon the load. Load is resistance, or in actual element we can say it may be lamp, it may be DC motor, it may be fan. So any kind of element that connected to the two terminal of battery having voltage V is called load. If load is purely resistive, resistance will decide how much current will flow through the load. Current will flow through the internal chemical proportion of the battery, and this is wire or cable and through load, and current come back to the negative terminal of the battery. So in the electric system, electric parameters, terminal voltage will remain ideally constant and current will be depend upon the how much load we connect to the battery. So that means higher motor, higher current, less power motor will have less current, and if we follow the Ohm's law, current is directly proportional to voltage and inversely proportional to resistance, that is load. So V is equal to IR, or we can say current can be measured from known battery voltage and divided by resistance of load. The power, electric power, is product of voltage and current flowing through the load or closed circuit. So if voltage is high and current is less, or current is high and voltage is less, we will have the same amount of power. So to produce the desired amount of power, we can have higher voltage, lesser current, or we can have higher current and lesser voltage. This is how for the same power we can have high voltage motor, high voltage battery, but for the high voltage it will draw the less current, and for the low voltage it will draw the more current. It will be helpful in selecting the rating of motor as well as battery, that we will discuss later. Here I is equal to P by V can be also written, or if we replace V is equal to IR in the equation of power, it will become P is equal to I square R. This I square R is the power loss. If load is resistive, then I square R loss will be converted in heat. It is also power VI or I square R, or also if we replace I with I is equal to V by R in the power equation, power become P is equal to V square by R. Electric energy is product of power into time. Standard unit of electric energy is watt second. It can be written as W into second, watt second. We pay the electricity bill for unit, and 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit, and if we compare it with the standard unit in converting into watt into second, then 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt hour. 1 kilo K is equal to 1000 watt hour, and 1 hour has the 60 minute and 1 minute has 60 seconds. So 60 multiplied by 60, 3600, and multiplied by 1000. So total it will become 36 into 10 raised to 5 watt into second. This is what we are paying bill for the electric energy consumption. So this is all fundamentals, basic requirement of electric parameter that will require: voltage, current. Here we need to understand battery voltage ideally constant and current will depend upon the load. Load may be lamp, motor or resistance, but in our case it will be electric motor, and we will see if motor of high power for the same voltage it will draw high current, and motor having low power rating for the same voltage it will draw the low current.